Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making baked dessert empanadas filled with apricot preserves. These delicious little hand pies are very easy to make. The apricot filling is perfectly sweet, wrapped up in the best buttery pastry crust you could wish for. They'll have you trying to find an excuse to make them every day. Take a look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them and the entire recipe in the description box below. To make the dough, we'll need 1 cup or 16 tablespoons of softened butter and 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Beat the cream cheese and the butter together until they're smooth and light and fluffy. Then measure out 2 cups of flour, and fold it in until it's combined. Gather the dough into a ball and knead for 1 or 2 turns, just enough to bring the dough all together. If you're new to our channel, we will show you how to make homemade food that's easy and delicious and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Break off about 1.5 tablespoons of dough and roll it into a 1-inch ball. I'm putting my dough between parchment paper and the tortilla press to make it easier to pull the dough off. Close the tortilla press and press down gently to spread the empanada dough into a circle. Then open up the parchment and peel off the dough. For the filling, I'm using 2 cups of a thick apricot jam. Fill each circle with a generous tablespoon of the jam. These are also amazing with pineapple, strawberry, or raspberry preserves. What was your favorite empanada filling when you were growing up? Tell us in the comments section below. We'd love to know. Now for the most important part, folding over the dough. I'll try to go slow here to show you how I fold the edges. Pinch the edges together, then roll over the edges and crimp to make a seal. You can also use a fork to press a seal, like when you're making a double crust pie. Place the sealed empanadas on a parchment-lined baking sheet about 1 inch apart and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until they're lightly golden brown. Then cool on a wire rack. The apricot preserves are molten hot, so be sure to let these cool for at least 15 minutes so that they're safe to eat. These are delicious little hand pies that are perfect for a sweet snack and a wonderful surprise to tuck into a lunch. They're so easy and very delicious. Think you're gonna try them? Be sure to let us know what you think. And if you're looking for a special dessert to share with friends, you've got to try this white wine cake. It's absolutely incredible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.